We all want healthy, long, frizz-free, and beautiful hair. So today, I'm going to share my top 12 hair care secrets to help you achieve strong, healthy hair that actually works. Let's dive in.
You can lose your halo.
Secret number 1. Treating frizzy hair. Frizzy hair can easily ruin your look, and it's totally normal to have them. To treat frizz, try using flaxseed gel. I can't stress enough how amazing it is for dry, damaged, or dull hair. It deeply conditions your hair, reduces frizz, and leaves it looking healthy, shiny, and super soft. To make flaxseed gel, boil 2 cups of water with half a cup of flax seeds for about 10 minutes. Once you see a white froth forming, reduce the heat and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Strain the gel and let it thicken as it cools. Apply the gel to your hair and leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes before washing it off. Secret number 2. Dilute your shampoo. Always dilute your shampoo with water before applying it directly to your scalp. This simple step helps the shampoo spread more evenly, cleanses your hair better, and prevents your scalp from drying out. Plus, it allows you to use less shampoo, which saves money in the long run. Secret number 3. Use a microfiber towel. Drying your hair with a microfiber towel is much gentler compared to regular towels. Microfiber towels reduce frizz, hair loss, split ends, and damage. Microfiber towels are lightweight and gentle, making them a great option to prevent breakage. Secret number 4. Switch to a wooden brush. Using a wooden hairbrush makes a big difference. It distributes your hair's natural oils evenly, reducing frizz, static, and breakage. Wooden brushes also massage acupressure points on your scalp, promoting circulation and healthy hair growth. Always brush your hair from the bottom up to detangle gently and avoid breakage. Secret number 5. Hair oiling. Hair oiling is a game changer. Rosemary oil is excellent for hair growth and even helps with bald patches, while castor oil is great for thickness and reducing hair fall. Since castor oil is thick, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 2 teaspoons of coconut or olive oil. Then add 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil. Warm the mixture slightly and massage it into your scalp. This improves blood circulation and helps the oils penetrate deeper for better results. Secret number 6. Argan oil for frizz-free ends. After washing your hair, apply a small amount of argan oil to the ends while it's still damp. Argan oil tames frizz, moisturizes, and adds shine without leaving a greasy residue. Secret number 7. 2-ingredient hair mask. Mix 1 egg with 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and apply it from roots to ends. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse with cool water and shampoo. Eggs are rich in protein and vitamins, while olive oil moisturizes and tames frizz. Use this mask twice a week for noticeable results. Secret number 8. Hair repair mask. Mix your regular conditioner with vitamin E oil and apply this to your hair lengths. If possible, wrap your hair using a cling wrap and wash hair after 30 minutes to get instant shine and healthy hair. Secret number 9. Rice water spray. Spray rice water onto your scalp every night to boost hair growth. To make it, soak clean rice in water for next 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain it into a spray bottle. No need to rinse it out, it's just water. Secret number 10. Biotin juice. Cucumber and celery juice floods your scalp with ultra-hydrating silica and sulfur, accelerating hair growth like never before. This powerful blend detoxifies hair follicles, making strands thicker, shinier, and virtually unbreakable. Secret number 11. Silk scrunchies and pillowcases. Switch to silk scrunchies and pillowcases to reduce breakage, frizz, and dryness. Silk is gentle on your hair and helps prevent damage while you sleep. Secret number 12. Braid your hair before bed. Braiding your hair before bed is a protective hairstyle that prevents overnight breakage and frizz. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know if you try them. I'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more hair care secrets.